Hello, in this video I will show you how you can run your Golang application in a container Docker. So first thing first, you have to create your Docker file. Here. The image, the Docker image I'm starting my Docker file from is the Golang image on the version 1.17. Then in my image, I add all the source code of my application. So this is not the right application name. Go presentation. And then I just specify that the Go presentation folder is my working directory. And then from this working directory, I will build my application in order to obtain a binary of the application. And I do it using a makefile command, which is called build. So I will create this command in my makefile here. Go build this. I have to rename presentation CMD Go presentation. Like this. Okay. And then I will go back to my Docker file. So the first step of my Docker file is just used to build my application and obtain the binary file of my application. Then in the final Docker image, which we will build using this Docker file, we will start with the Alpine Docker image. So this is a very light image. There is no Golang inside of it. I will run some add some certificates, CA certificates into it, so that I can run my application in HTTPS once it will go on production. Then I will copy. So this I have to change. Go presentation. I will copy the binary I have previously built at the root of the Docker image here. And I will add also, I will copy also my Swagger UI folder so that when the application will run inside my Docker container, I will still be able to go to my Swagger UI endpoint in order to test my application. Here. And then the entry point is Go presentation. So this is the name of the binary that was built previously. And I will expose my application on the port 8080. Once the Docker file is done, I have to build the Docker image. So I will add another command in my makefile. Build Docker build. I will name it Go presentation. Go presentation, and I will tag it with the tag latest. And the dot here just means that when I will run this command, it will search for a Docker file at the root of my project, of my Golang project. So let's execute it. So the Docker image is building. Okay, so now let's check if the Docker image was successfully built. So I will run Docker images. You can see it here, presentation on the latest tag 13 seconds ago. So everything is good. So now I have my Docker image for my application. What I have to do now is to run the application in a Docker container using my Docker image. So I will add another command line in my make file, Docker run. I will change that. Okay. So with Docker run, I will expose the port 8080 that is exposed inside my Docker container will be exposed on the same port outside. So locally, I should be able to have access to my application on the port 8080. And then here I specify from what Docker image I want to run my application. So I will run this command, run Docker. Here you go. So normally my application is running in a Docker container. So let's test if it's working fine. If I go on localhost 8080 Swagger, you can see that I have access to my application, which is not running locally, because you can see that I did not use the command make run to run it locally, but I ran it in a Docker container. And I still have access to my Swagger UI here, and I can test my application. So when I test the else endpoint like this, what it does is actually it is executing some code in my Docker container and not locally. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.